Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about our stock men's hair system, the L1. The stock code for this system is Royal. This system combines fine mono base and a PU perimeter, making it both breathable and durable. Let's take a look at the base on the L1. This is fine mono. As you'll see, it has a similar appearance to lace, but it is much more durable and sturdy. We also have a PU perimeter that runs the whole way around the base of the hair system. This makes the hair system easy to attach, handle, maintain and clean. At the very front of this hair system, you can see we have a lace front. This makes it undetectable. Now let's take a look at the top of the hair system. Double split knots are used on the mono, while single split knots are used on the PU. This means hair doesn't loosen or shed easily. This comes in one colour, which is colour 1B. It's a natural black and a very popular choice amongst men. It has a natural wave and a hair length of 6 inches. The hair comes in a freestyle direction, so you can style and part it however you like. The L1 comes in 5 different base sizes, but we offer a professional base and hair cutting service, so the system is ready to be worn as soon as it arrives. As with all of our stock hair systems, this comes with immediate delivery, so it could be with you within 5 working days and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you like the look of the L1 stock men's hairpiece, then visit our website at www.lordhair.com to find out more, or email us at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us at +86 532 80 82 82 55.